Welcome here at the Munich Intersolar exhibition, and welcome on the Fenecon booth. Maybe we as Fenecon are not as familiar to you as other companies in this hall with big names and big booths. We are quite a small company. We have specialized our company, our team on storage systems, but not only one product, but a complete range from very small units for households, for residential applications, which you can see here, to commercial applications and industrial applications. Battery and storage solutions is one part, and an important part, additional part, to integrate that in the actual and future world of energy is an energy management system. But let me start here with one of the basic products, which is very well known all over the world, I think. BYD battery box, high voltage, started 1.5 years ago and is market leader right now. It can be used with, I think, 5 different inverters. Here we have the low voltage version, which is used for island solutions. Also a very nice solution. Well, follow me, please, a few steps to that side. And here I can show you a combination of that. Here we have combined a battery rack, an inverter, and an energy management system. 3 units, 3 items you need to have a right storage solution. You can follow these explanations also on the back side. A high-performance battery is used for a good solution. Inverter, also with high efficiency, and an energy management. And our special item now is that energy management is an open source based energy management. Like we know it from our mobile phones. We have learned in the last years everybody is using something like that, and you can use every app you like, and programmers that are able to program an app, they have the complete market all over the world for that. Similar development we see here. Nobody in the whole hall or otherwhere is able to integrate all these things. We need to find standards, we need to find platforms, to create platforms that make the world much easier. We as Fenecon have started with that 3 years ago, and now last year we have founded an association, OpenEMS association, with some German partners. Nowadays we are between 30 and 40 of these partners, with grid companies, with bigger and smaller utilities, with developers, producers of heating pumps, cogeneration products, loading infrastructure for electromobility, and this is definitely necessary for the future. Especially now in Germany, we are starting. We have now the first few tariffs of power companies that offer their tariff based on an hour, or based on a quarter of an hour, or in the future maybe based on a minute, and that makes battery concepts, of course, much more interesting. Well, there on this cube we show solutions. How we can do that with combined heat, for example. On the left side, this is Kermi company, which is quite big in Germany. I don't know if about the international market of Kermi. On the front side, we have the integrated loading solutions for electric vehicles. From our point of view, it doesn't matter if it's an AC or DC loader, if it's a Mercedes or if it's a BMW or a BYD vehicle. You have to find solutions in the market that fulfill everything, that can be connected with all the devices. Here we show you examples how it works. And it will be the future. In each company, you need you get visitors or you get employees that come together with their electric vehicle, and you have to load them, and you will face problems with the power you need for that, and you have to reduce the loading power. In order because you are limited, and of course you are also sometimes limited in the speed you load the cars. Well, these are some of the most important demands of the future. We don't have solutions for everything today, but I think we have the concepts. We have the partners. We are very open, not only in the technology, but also in our partnerships. Nowadays, we are focused mainly on the German market, also Austria, Switzerland. We are a small company with about 50 persons. We are not really in the situation to run projects in other countries. But we need partners that are able to do that are in the situation to communicate with us, to visit also Germany, to get trained by Fenecon in our Bavarian location. And of course we can help from the office in your projects by telephone, by email or whatever. A very important thing for our partners is, for example, last week I had a demand from I think South American country where we don't know anything about the grid in foreign countries. We need partners that know these topics. They have to bring solutions or find solutions for that. And of course we are not able to do service in these countries. So if you want to collaborate with Fenecon, we like to do that, but we need partners that can do a lot of things by themselves. We can train you, we can help you. But with 50%, we don't have the staff to follow to your customers in foreign countries. Well, let me go to the other side, to bigger solutions. Here we have two commercial solutions. One with an inverter with 50 kilowatt power, with a rack 60 kilowatt hours. Each inverter can manage up to 4 of these racks. That means up to 240 kilowatt hours. And additionally, you can use up to 20 of these inverters in one cluster. That means up to 1 megawatt of power. And this is a very, very nice solution. This solution cannot do everything. There is no, if the grid fails, it's also off-grid, and we don't have an off-grid option here. Here we have a second solution with a bit smaller one, where we also have an off-grid solution. It's only the half rack, 30 kilowatt hours. The power is also 30 kilowatt, 1C rate. And here we have, this is an ideal solution for farmers. Farmers somewhere off-grid, or sometimes off-grid because the power line is not too stable. Well, these are standard products for us that we run in numbers. We also have special products, special combinations of inverters and racks with special functions. There we have some solutions in the backside. That is our part of the business. Energy engineering. We have made about 40 or 50 projects in the last few years with normally with big companies that helped us to build up our own experience. And nowadays we also have big projects like a very actual project together with Zero and Second Life batteries with one of the big producer of vehicles. And there we manage 23 megawatt hours of batteries with car batteries, with our energy management and with inverters from one of our partners. So this is for us it's a standard integration job. Only the number of power and of megawatt and megawatt hours is quite big also for us. Well, okay. Do you have any questions?
So if I know the products BYD, I know the cocoa inverter, but none of them as a single company can give me the solution. You are that provider, solution provider, that can integrate everything and give me one handshake with reliability, guarantee, everything which none of the others can do by itself. Is that correct?
Well, thank you very much. That is 100% correct. Yes. It's our job to integrate, and it's sometimes it's not very easy because there is a big difference between standard PV inverters, for example, and battery inverters. There you need some months or some years to bring these components together, and this is our job.
Have I understood right that you then also the general contractor who may handle the whole warranty for the whole solution?
Yes, together with the products, with the integrated products, we also have a warranty. Yes, standard warranty is 6,000 cycles and 12 years for the integrated products. Yes, you're invited to come back after the tour to come with your personal questions also. We would be glad to meet you again. Otherwise, I wish you a nice tour and nice time here in Munich on the exhibition. Thank you very much.